Hey all, Steve from GuitarNiche here. The nature of today's video is screw it. I know that's maybe not the best introduction. So if you're new to this channel, well, thanks for coming out. Welcome. Okay. What I'm referring to is a common problem we have with pick guard screws and control plates on other instruments, even like backing plates on Stratocasters or Les Paul, Gibson type products, electrics and things like that, is the screw holes get stripped. Why do they get stripped? When you're reinstalling the screws, you might not take a moment to, let's say, take a little care to help it along and maintain the integrity of the pre-existing hole, which is like that. I turn the screw backwards until it catches on its pre-existing thread. And from there, it's just a matter of, turning it in. This way, if you do this especially with smaller screws and control plates and stuff, exercise this kind of approach, and those screw holes in the screws will always be best buds. No need for repairs down the road. And there you have it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, all done. As always, read the description below. There's free resources and stuff down there. Same thing on my website, GuitarNiche.com. And as always, play loud, have fun, have a great day, like and subscribe, keep those wheels greased so I can keep doing this stuff for you, okay? Appreciate that very much. And have a great day. Cheers. See ya.